Hey guys, welcome to the video today. In today's video, we're going to be doing a review on this EPAuto half-inch drive click torque wrench. I got this off Amazon. After tax and everything, it was just right under $30. Here are the specifications on it. It lets you know the drive's a half-inch. The length of this thing is 18¼ inches, and its accuracy is plus or minus 4%. Got a few other specifications on there as well. Let's go ahead and get it opened here and see what's inside. Nice little case to store it into. That's always nice, so you can store it away easily. Okay, instructions. Always good to read these first for multiple reasons. Lets you know how to use the torque wrench. Also gives you any safety information and warranty contact information. So make sure to give this a good read before you use the torque wrench itself. We got a half-inch extension here. Looks like we got a 1/2" to 3/8 adapter here, and then we have the torque wrench itself. Let's go ahead and take this out and take a look at it. All right, guys, here it is out of the box. I can tell you just from holding it and looking at it, for the money, this is a decently built torque wrench. It's got some good weight to it. It feels of good construction. We're going to go ahead and use it here shortly and just show you how to use it. But let's take a closer look here at how we will figure out how many foot-pounds we want to set this to, and we'll put it to the test and see how it works. All right, so on the bottom here, there's a knob that you turn to lock and unlock your torque wrench so you can adjust the setting. We're going to turn it to unlock here. I will note too, it tells you on here, always make sure to store it at the lowest setting. So when you're done using it, you're just going to release it all the way back to the lowest possible setting, and that's how you're going to want to store it. So let's see here. You can see how the mark that comes off the number, so there's like 70 foot-pounds, and then the mark for it is quite a bit lower. So like right now, when that 0 is lined up with the line there, we're at 70 foot-pounds. Okay, so then what we're going to test this on is the lug nuts on my 2006 Corolla. They need to be set at 76 foot-pounds. So we're going to turn this. Keep turning this way until we get to the 6 there. So now we're at, you guys see that okay? 76 foot-pound. Turn a little more. 76 foot-pounds there. Then on the bottom here, we're just going to turn this back until it locks into place. And then we're going to put on our socket wrench here, and we're going to go test it out and see how it works. There's an insert on the torque wrench itself too. Definitely make sure you read this. Precision tool, do not use for extreme operations like breaking loose stuck fasteners. Practice first. Try wrench on non-critical fastener first to learn how it works. And operate slowly. Wrench clicks to notify the user when torque value is reached. Wrench does not stop applying force automatically. That's really important. You don't want to keep going past that click. Listen and feel. At low torque settings, clicks is subtle. Learn to hear and feel the click. Store at the lowest setting to maintain calibration. Set wrench to lowest torque value before storage. And measures in one direction. Wrench only measures torque in right-hand clockwise direction. So again, that's why it's important to always read through the owner's manuals and inserts like this. It gives you, all the information that you need to know to use this properly. I did want to show this too. On the other side of the torque wrench, there is a Newton meter with all the numbers there, and they give you in the owner's manual here a conversion table between the Newton meter and the foot-pounds and the meter kilograms. So all that information is in the owner's manual. Make sure to check it out if you need to figure out any of those types of conversions. Okay, let's go put this thing to the test. All right, guys, anytime that you work around vehicles, it's always important to make sure that you're wearing the right safety equipment. For this job, we're going to need a pair of nitrile gloves and safety glasses. Make sure that you're wearing yours. Alright guys, so my car takes 76 foot-pounds of torque on the wheel lug nuts there. Make sure that you refer to your owner's manual if you're going to do this to make sure that you get the correct foot-pound setting. But with that being said, let's go ahead and test this out. We're just going to go until we hear a click, just like so. And now we're done. As soon as you hear the click, you're going to stop putting pressure on it, and you know that that's reached the pound rating that you set this to. We're going to go ahead and try this on another lug nut here and just go until we hear the click. And as soon as you hear that, we know that we're done and we're going to let off the pressure. All right, let's head back into the garage here. All right, guys, well, what do I think of this? I think for the price, it is exactly as advertised. It is a good, you can tell a good quality built torque wrench. It's got a wide range between 10 and 150 foot-pounds of torque. It's definitely something you're gonna need if you're working on automobiles, and I think for the price, it's an unbelievable deal. A bonus that you get the 3/8 adapter right here and the extension as well. And we saw that we put it to the test and it did exactly what we would thought it would do. And then on top of that, the nice case to store it away in when you're not using it. So thank you guys for watching. Please like, subscribe, and comment, and I hope to see you guys in the next video. Have a good one.